Okay, so another day. Just for some like correlation as to what day this is June 11th. So in like the video where I made the trans brackets, that was the 10th. So I'm trying to go quick. All right. So today, I don't know what I'm actually all gonna get done. But my plan is get this thing off the stand. I need to take off the back piece here. I need this because this isn't mine, so I gotta get it back to the guy that I bought it from. So I'm pretty much gonna get that off. We're gonna bolt it to the transmission, and then I need to get that whole assembly on the cradle with like the axles in and everything, and kind of get it. I think if I fingered the screen, I need to get it positioned where I need it. Basically, that's all I'm trying to do. So I guess without further ado, let's do that. Let's get the motor connected to the trans and get it put on the cradle. I need to like reposition the cradle on some like cinder blocks or something, so that way we're on a more stable, permanent spot. I guess if that makes any sense. I really have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just kind of winging it. So let's hope for the best. Yeah, because the main thing I wanted to get done was the alternator bracket, so that way we didn't have to worry about like when I go to make it, like if I made it after, it could be clearancing issues, and we don't want to deal with that. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so after some hella finagling, we've got the rake here holding them so they're relatively straight. I think they're pretty good. I mean, as good as it's going to get for eyeball. And then the axle seems to be straight this way. I have these guys are level-ish. That one's down a little bit more, but it shouldn't matter. And then we've got a block underneath there actually holding the motor up, so the motor is actually relatively there. We've lowered it as far as we think we can. I want it kind of level, assuming everything's level. That's the hard part, because I don't know. Not sure. But
I think this side should come up a bit.
Yeah, or we lower the trans a little bit if we find something thinner to put underneath there. You want to keep it as low. You want to get the motor and trans as low as possible. So, but yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. So obviously this mount is going to go straight down into there. I'm contemplating cutting up my old poly ones just because like this one is super fucking complicated. It's this nice little thing, and that would be a really bitch for me to do with the vise I have. And then that one I'm not a big worry about, and that one over there I'm not worried. That's the only one I'm worried or thinking about cutting up. But yeah, so then we got this motor mount, which is going to have to go down into here, which should be real fun to try and get. That oil filter is going to suck to change. Hopefully I can find like an oil relocation kit like we put on Paul's car, because that'd make my life a lot easier. And yeah, I'm also going to have to put a sandwich plate in there too. So that should be a blast. I'm not sure what my plan is on that yet, but we're just looking here at this point. This is my first time actually really looking at them. This one, super fucking simple. We're already right there. That's not a problem. Same thing with this one. We're pretty simple. We're already right there. So should be good. So yeah, just kind of finagle it a little bit more. Everything seemed pretty good. The only thing that was kind of weird is we bolted the trans on, and then this one over here didn't want to go in. Not sure why. When I pull the trans back off, I'll look in there and hopefully not find something broke off, because that would really suck. But yeah, it's in there. But now the fun part, fabricating up the rest of the mounts. I'll probably start with this side, because we want to get it not moving. So that way when we make the rest, it's good. Because these are the easy ones, and then these ones are going to be the real fun ones. So, yep. You know, this one shouldn't be that hard. Pretty much just need to put that bracket down there, and then you weld a freaking straight piece from here straight down. But yeah, okay. That's what I'm going on. Let's do something. All right, there it is, first one. So this is a trans mount. Pretty much got the bolt on the side there, one up, then there's two over here, which might be a little hard to get to now. Whoops. But I mean, still accessible. Just gotta hate my life. That's gonna suck. I think that should still be possible. But yeah. So I got one bolt here, so it's a nut and bolt on both sides. I'm probably gonna end up welding a 1/8 plate to the top of this, and then we'll re-drill through, just to strengthen it. And I don't really care if it raises it that 1/8, not a big deal. But yeah, so I'm gonna drill one more hole, and that'll get bolted. I'm gonna shoot for like over here, so that way we got 2 bolts in the cradle, just like the OEM one. That's the old OEM one, and I'm bolted over here. So, but yeah, that should do. Next one I'm gonna try and tackle will be this one. They're gonna bolt into here, where the torque strut used to be. And then, so yeah, we'll do those 2. That's gonna go to this. Should be pretty simple. So we'll get that one done. And then we'll start on the other side. Yeah, that's where I'm at, guys. We're making freaking progress. I'm feeling real good about all this progress, so it's good. Hopefully I don't mess up anything in any of this, because that would really suck. And then hopefully we'll have clearances. I'm pretty sure we'll be good, because if you look at like how this stuff is, and then if you look in here, so you got one mounting point right there, one over there. I think we're gonna be pretty good. But yeah, that's where we're at, guys. Get excited. Get excited, because I'm excited. Yeah, that's what we got. All right, so here we go. We got this one. I got one bolt in there right now. That's all I got right now. I'm gonna put one more in right here. Then it's bolted there, and we've got 2 more hidden up in there. Then over here, we've got the 2 in the block, and then 2 that go into here. I'm probably gonna redo, well, not redo, but just make this one even better. I'm probably gonna add some brackets like down, and then we're gonna send a bolt through and through. Same thing over here, through and through. That way, because these are pretty small, so I don't really trust them all too much. So we got those. And then if we go over onto the other side, I have yet to do this one. I gotta get a different oil filter housing. I found one. I don't know what it's off of though, but it bolts on here and it goes like straight out. So I'm gonna find that out what that one is and get that one, because that will make my life way better than this. So that's probably my plan for that. And then this one over here, we got the 3 up top, and then it goes down, and then it's got a bolt right here and a nut right here. So that should definitely do. It just goes straight down. I mean, as of right now, it's up on the blocks, but it's pretty sturdy considering we're still missing one. But yeah, should be good. But yeah, that's probably where I'm going to stop for this one. You guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.